In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Tally Forms. If you're looking to create simple, professional forms with ease, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Tally website where you'll find the free online form builder. It's a very user-friendly platform that doesn't require any coding skills to use. Once you're on the site, look for the login button and give it a click. This will take you to the login page where you'll have several options to sign in. Now, to keep things simple and secure, I recommend using the Continue with Google option. It's a really straightforward process and saves you from having to remember another password. After clicking this option, select your Google account from the list that appears, and you're almost there. When prompted, click Continue to proceed with the login using your Google account credentials. Once logged in, you'll be redirected to the Tally Forms dashboard. From here, locate and click on the New Form button. This will kickstart the process of creating your new form. On the next screen, you'll see space to type in the title of your form. Think of this as your headline, something that will grab attention and clearly convey the purpose of the form. Once you have a title, press Enter. This action will allow you to start with a blank form template, where you can add all kinds of elements. To add elements to your form, such as questions or text fields, simply type a /Heidi. To open the Elements menu. From this menu, select the type of field you want to add. Let's start by adding a short answer field. This option is great for straightforward questions that require concise answers. With your short answer field in place, you should type in the question you want to ask. It's a good idea to keep questions clear and to the point to avoid confusion. Hit Enter to move to the next line and type a /. Again to bring up the menu. This time select the long answer option for questions that require more detailed responses. Type in your next question and repeat these steps for any additional questions or fields you want to include. Once you've added all the necessary elements and questions to your form, it's time to make it available to your audience. To do this, click on Publish to make your form live. After publishing, you'll see a shareable link. Click on Copy to save this link to your clipboard. You can easily share this link with your team, friends, customers, or anyone else who needs to fill out the form. And that's it. You've successfully created and shared a form using Tally Forms. Thank you for joining me today, and happy form building!